In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade X-Layer meme coins on Alph AI. Now, the first thing you have to do is you of course have to sign up for an account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Link down below, you will not regret it. So to trade X-Layer meme coins over here on Alph AI, first what you have to do is of course after connecting your Telegram account, you'll have to click on the chain over here and switch over to X layer. Now, whenever you do that, go ahead and click on your drop down arrow here next to your wallet, top right, and click on deposit/withdraw. In here, you'll have to, of course, deposit some OKB onto your address. So your address is going to be visible on your screen here, and you can just copy it and, of course, deposit some OKB onto the wallet, or you can just use this QR code to do it, okay? Now, after you do that, and after you're holding some OKB on here, you can then go ahead and find the meme coins you'd like to trade. You can go to meme, top left. You could also go to trending to find the trending meme coins, or you could also just search for them using this search bar, top right over here. Now, after you've done that, and let's say you now actually found a coin, and of course, make sure you actually do find a good coin because most of these are going to be scams. Do your own research before you actually proceed. And then let's say you find a coin you want to buy and trade, just go ahead and click on it, and here on the right hand side, you have the quick trading, so we can do that if you want to, but of course, the a bit more advanced way is by going with the advanced trading, where you can just go ahead and buy or sell here with a market or limit order, and then you can type in the amount, the take profits and stop losses you want to take, and then you can just use the buy or sell button, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much how to trade X-Layer meme coins on Alph AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.